Hi, TR here. This video is about the instant notification assignment. Key point, make sure you read all the information on the content page so you know exactly what you need to do and where you need to submit it. As we scroll down the page, there are two parts to this assignment. You need to submit an image of the default notification method and the individual instant notifications. As we scroll down, this is what the default notification method image should look like when you send it to me. Okay? The individual instant notifications will look like this except for the red circles, of course. And in here, you're just indicating which components that you want to receive an instant notification from. Now, how to get these images? I'm going to go up to the Awesome Screenshot. If you go to the Chrome Web Store, you will see the Awesome Screenshot Screen Video Recorder. This is free, and it will allow you to screen videos as well as images. Now, if you have any questions or concerns, always and please use your private discussions, and I'll be happy to help you out. Thank you very much, and have a great day. Bye now.